Hey Rocky, here's what we're looking at. I'm Tony, by the way. Here's what we're looking at. This is called an adapter ring. And you can see it's got a place. This is what would go against the concrete. And just want to kind of show you the width of it. It's 30 inches all the way across. And then it fits a 24-inch lid, which is 25 inches. So if you look, this would go all the way on the concrete. So you put this on your concrete where your other lid is. This just goes around it. This is called butyl tape. And what this is it's a butyl that goes, you just take it and you put it around. Some people just use silicone. Just put silicone on this, smash it down. If you look right here, there's places for screws. You can take like a Tapcon concrete screw and put them in. It's really up to you. I mean, when you have a lot of dirt, some people don't do anything. And then here's the lid. And this is all tough type product. So you take the lid, after this is secured, you put the lid right on it. So in your application, this is the best thing because it's so low. If it was deeper, you put risers on, which this is a riser. The riser fits inside, then you put your lid if the ground is deeper. So that's really all there is to it. We also have a 20-inch as well. That's the two main ones. I also carry a 16-inch, but it's not as popular, but the 20-inch, just so you can see in case you have a smaller lid, it's 21 inches across. It's a 20-inch lid, and then the outside diameter is 26 inches. So that's a couple of your options that I think could maybe help you, and I'll shoot this to you now. Thank you.